Hey audio scholars, I want to look at Suno Remastering. Now I had a couple of nice comments on the channel. Let me just show you. This was from Mike Wadden. Thank you for making this video. He's been sitting on the fence thinking about trying Suno. And I'm a recording studio tech owner, live sound tech, as well as a professional performing musician for 40 years. I have a few CDs out, blah, blah, blah. I was curious if I took very old, unreleased original material and tried Suno to see what fresh ideas it would give me. Thanks again for this. Thank you, mate. Appreciate that. Also, let us know how you're getting on. Also, there's another one from YouTube commenter 7402. Not sure if you tried this yet, but Suno has a feature called Remaster that attempts to upgrade the sound of your song. I've seen it, but I've never tried it, so we're going to do that today. So I've just got a kind of a, I've got a tune in here called London. Really quick, it took me like 10 minutes to do. Let's just play it and see what it sounds like. Yeah. Okay. Yo. Touchdown in the smoke where the temps stay cold. Gray skies watching every move like parole. Double decker crawl through the congestion zone. Mind racing faster than cabs in the. So you get the idea. It's a boom bap East Coast sort of 90s boom bap hip hop thing, right? It's got that vinyl crackle, all those artifacts, all that lovely stuff that you used to get from vinyl, from samples, and put into your tune. So I'm literally just going to try remastering that. So it looks like you click on this button here and you create Remaster Pro. Let's see what it does. Various strengths, subtle, normal, high. I reckon we'll go for normal. I don't know what's got that section. I guess it analyzes the first section. There's different models. We'll go for V5 because it sounds like it's a little bit more than V.5, V4.5 plus. Let's just click remaster. Remastering clip. Clip remastered successfully. Huh. Remastering. Okay, so it's going to take like what? A minute? 2 minutes? Something like that. Variation, strength, subtle, normal, high. I'm not sure if it's going to like create a new version or just absolutely just master it. Just keep the original and just master it. We'll soon find out. Looks like it's done. Is it done? London remastered. Let's press play. Yo. Yeah. Cleaned it. Yeah. Yo. I hear it far cleaner. I think there's been the kick drum's been increased. Oh, there's two versions. Let's try the second version. Touchdown in the smoke where the temps stay cold. Gray skies watching every move like parole. Double decker crawl through the congestion zone. Mind racing faster than cabs in the unknown. From Brixton riots echo, still in the bricks to. It's definitely cleaned it. Now how do I get access to these? Oh, here they are. So what I'm going to do is take the visibility permissions. I'm going to turn off comments, allow remixes. Off. Go off. Off. I never want those things. I think it's important to turn them all off. I don't want my stuff reused by anybody else. So this is let's listen to the original and then we'll try the remasters just as a comparison, right? So here's the original. Yeah, a lot of crackle, right? A lot of noise. Yeah. Quite a nice stereo image. Yeah. Yo. Okay, let's try the remastered. Yo. Yeah. It's no real ones. Let's try this one again.
Yo. Yeah.
It's fascinating. It's taken away some of the noise, right? It's kind of looked at the whole file and kind of created a noise profile and taken it out, right? Let's try the other one.
Yo. Yeah.
And this one.
Yo.
This one.
Yo.
It's pretty cool, you know. I mean, I think the levels stayed the same, so it's not kind of. I don't think it made it any louder. I don't think it's not made it any louder. It's not kind of mastered in that sense, but it has cleaned it up. It would be interesting to try this on something else. To be honest with you, I would still take this out of Suno and put it into my DAW, and I would use my mastering chain. My mastering chain usually consists of, well, I'll show you. This is what I use for my Suno mastering chain. I don't always use this mastering chain for other stuff that's done outside Suno, but for Suno, I do. But you can see my plugin chain is quite simple. I sometimes do limit the high frequencies. I take it out. I just think it depends what the song is. You know, if it was, for example, I remember doing a Lady Madonna, the Beatles cover, years ago, and I really band limited it to make it sound like it was made 40, 50 years ago. Sometimes with this hip-hop stuff that comes out soon, I'll take a lot top end off, particularly with this kind of boom bap series I've been doing. And then I've got the, I always mix into a limiter, so I use this Ozone limiter at -6. And then when if I look at my master mixer, I put this down to like -6 or so. So it gives me tons of headroom to mix without overdriving anything. And then I use the Oxford inflator. If you've never tried that, oh my God, give it a go. It's amazing. That really fattens up everything. I'm not entirely sure of the technology behind it, but it's great. I use it a lot. You can see I've got the effect whacked right up. Then I use an Oxford limiter. The attack's opened a bit just to let some of the transients come through so it doesn't kill it dead. I usually put the auto comp on. And I've increased the input gain, and it's a -0.1 dB upper limit. That works quite well. And of course I monitor this with my Ulean plugin. You can see it's pretty loud. Anyway, back to Suno and remastering. It's great. I might try it, through the process of doing some mixes and some variations. I might use that remastering thing. So thanks very much, dude. I appreciate that. It's been useful. Might start using it, see how we get on. If you've got any interesting stories about your AI use or your Suno music use, let me know in the comments, and I'll do some more. Take it easy for now.